What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another taste test, food review, drink review video. I have this Canada Dry pop. It's a strawberry fruit splash, a strawberry ginger ale. And I thought, you know what? I saw this. It's new, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to review it for you guys. Here it is. Getting a little dark out, but I thought, you know, I had a little bit of time, and I kind of wanted to film this. It's been sitting in my fridge for a week or two, and I just wanted to get it done. So we're going to get this done before it gets too dark out here for you to see me. I'm trying to get this to focus. Pausing for the awkward thumbnail. Okay, awkward enough. Alright, here it goes. Ginger ale always seem to have, I mean, you always smell that classic ginger ale smell, but they always seem to have that, almost like a, to me, sometimes ginger ale always seem to smell a little bit like alcohol, which just kind of does a little bit, but you also smell that strawberry in here. It smells really sweet. And it does remind me of, it says fruit splash. Oh, it almost kind of reminds me of fruit punch too. Let's make sure it's still going. Yep. That is really good. I thought you couldn't really improve in the original like ginger ale flavor. And I think Canadian Dry is probably, in my opinion, the best ginger ale brand out there. That this is really good. I have to say, I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't think that you could do better than the original flavor, but this might actually top that. You taste the fruit, the strawberry. It almost has like a fruit punch flavor to it as well, and you taste that classic ginger ale. Yeah. This, guys, is really delicious. I don't know if it's like, it says made with a splash of real juice. I don't know if this is like going to be a long-term flavor, or it's just a temporary flavor. I mean, no flavors are really like forever. Unless they're like the main brand flavors like Coke or Mountain Dew. So, but anyways, I hope this is around for a while, but I like this. I don't know if they do a dye to this or not. I'd have to check. But I know one thing. It's definitely pretty tasty. Alright. That's it. Any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a nice day. Bye, everybody. Bye. You know what that means. Time to get on to the next one. Alright. Peace. Bye. Yeah.